Are you guys ready? Are you excited? Me too. So I have no sleep because I stayed up all night to buy this. Can anyone tell me what it is? Shout it out loud.
A stomp rocket.
It is a stomp rocket, yes. But I have edited a few things, so I guess we can call it a grape launcher now. Wow, exciting things. Now I do need the help of a volunteer who wants to help me test out my grape launcher. Anyone? Anyone? How about right here? It's a, you said stomp rocket? Yeah, come on down, princess. Give our rocketeer a round of applause. Excellent. You can join me right here now. Now, when we get to 1, 3, 2, 1, you're gonna stomp on this part as hard as you can. Can you do that? I think you can as well. We're gonna get it set up. You wanna aim it at my face. Are you ready?
We're ready.
We're gonna count down from 3, everyone. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
Can we give everyone a round? Excellent. Give her one more round of applause. She was fantastic.
Aaron, that is awesome.
Right? Isn't that amazing?
That was
I'm so happy that I bought.
Okay, so we've been meeting some cool birds that are well adapted for the daytime. I think it'd be cool if we move more into the nighttime realm. Do you guys want to meet an owl next?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I don't know who of you got to see Ari out here with Owl who was on the glove. This owl is going to be flying all over the place. So get those cameras up and ready to go.
Lisa, I like to think I know things about birds, but that's not an owl.
No. The owl definitely is next though.
Oh, well, they're not friends. We do like to show natural behaviors here, but that predator-prey thing, we'll leave that to Nat Geo. Lisa, I'll be right back when we make sure they get home safe. Ladies, come here. Where'd you go?
I'll be fine with Aaron. We're going to meet an owl next. Here he is. This is Coetti. Coetti is a